your darkest moments, when you feel that life is unfair and everyone has abandoned you, you have to remind yourself that the Almighty is always there. Remember, the path to paradise is filled with hardship that you will have to go through with utmost patience. Don't give up. You're not a failure just because things are not going your way. Instead of worrying, pray, turn to the Almighty and pour your heart out. Let Him know your concerns. Let Him give you a sense of purpose. He will steer your heart in the right direction. Trust Him.